Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial 2 different ways to duplicate your spreadsheet on the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. Click that. And now let's go to File, Open. This should take us to the desktop. Work.numbers, Open. And the first way to duplicate the spreadsheet is go to File, Duplicate. Let's change the name of the spreadsheet to Work 2. Enter. This should now save to the desktop. Let's now close the duplicate spreadsheet. Let's now quit numbers. Let's now highlight the original spreadsheet on screen. Right click. And now copy. Go to the desktop. Right click. Paste item. And now we have duplicated the file again. Let's now call this work 3. And the second duplicate should have been called work 2. Not too sure what happened with the name there, but that's fine. So 1, 2, 3. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.